Hey guys, welcome back to Rod Doing Stuff. Today we're back at the cabin finally, and we're gonna get the Redneck hot tub going. We finally got a new tank, we got it hooked up to the heater, we got a new pump. I'm gonna show you how all that works. We're gonna see how long it takes to heat this thing up with our water heater. We're gonna have Spence start a fire for us here. Alright, so let me show you what we got. Alright guys, so back here we got the pump. This is our inlet coming in, inlet going into our heater. Goes through these pipes, heats it up. If you watch my other video on the heater, you'll know. I'll link that in the description. Comes out here and back in. So we're gonna get a fire going here, and we're gonna get this thing going and see how we can heat it up. Okay, so this is our new pool. This is a stock tank. I bought it used for 50 bucks. It does have a few small leaks around the edges. I siliconed it last time we were here, and that sealed up most of it, so the leaks are just really small. It's leaked like that much, just this little spot. That's where I had the hose, but it's leaked just this little teeny bit. But this thing, I filled it up last night. Our temperature on this thing, I've got this thermometer in there. We're at 53 degrees. And we're gonna see how long it takes to heat it up. So we're gonna get the fire going. Okay, so we're gonna have Spence get our fire going for us. He's got some jute twine here and his fire still. We're gonna see if he can get this going. Whoa, there it goes. Let's get our pine needles on there. There we go. Alright, now we'll just set that whole thing inside, get our bigger sticks going. We're going to put our sticks on there. Alright, good job, Spence. How do you feel about that?
Good.
Good, yeah, good job. Alright. Alright guys, so the other thing that you want to do with this thing before your fire gets hot is you want to get your water circulating so it heats up slowly. Otherwise it will blow off this pressure relief valve right here, and then it's just not good. It steams everywhere and it shakes and everything else. So if you get your water circulating beforehand, you don't have that problem. (9:59). We're gonna call it 10 o'clock, and we're at 53 degrees. We just started this, so we'll see how long it takes to heat up. Our fire's getting going pretty good. You can see in there Spencer's fire. So we're gonna heat her up, and we'll check back with you in an hour or so and see where we're at. Alright guys, so we're a little over a half hour in. As you can see, we're at 56 degrees, and that's what's starting the stove cold. So we've come up a few degrees just in about 35 minutes. And once we get a good coal base in that stove and get the fire really ripping, it'll start heating up a lot faster. Guys, so we are, let's see, 11:03 and 61 degrees. So an hour, we came up, what, we were at 53 I think. So 7 degrees. The fire's really starting to rip now, so it's going to start climbing faster. And as the water in the tub gets warmer, it'll heat up quicker too. Alright guys, so checking back with you, it's 12:04. Thermometer, we're at 70 degrees. So that's in 2 hours. So we're just going to keep cranking, and we'll check back with you in a couple hours, let you know what the temperature's looking like. Alright guys, so it's 1:21. We're at 76 degrees. We're climbing pretty quick now. Alright, so we're at 87 degrees and the kids decided to get in. How is it? How is it? How is it, Spencer?
What?
How is it?
Good.
Well, good.
Feels good.
Good.
I'm liking it. Let me try this.
Awesome. Well, obviously that's not correct. The kids decided that it would be a good idea to take the thermometer swimming, so it's no more. But anyway, the water, they've gotten it pretty dirty. But last I checked, it was 93 degrees. It's got to be close to 100 now. So that took us, it's 3:20 now. We started at 10. So five and a half hours to get it heated up. I think one improvement I need to make is I need to get a cover to go over it, like a pool cover, the one with the little bubbles in it, and I think that'd make it heat up a lot faster. So we're gonna do that, and we'll go from there. All right guys, so thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time on Rod Doing Stuff.